Back pain is one of the most common causes of body pain. And it's something that affects almost everyone in the course of a lifetime. I can tell you that lower back pain can be a debilitating issue that disrupts your daily life. But understanding its causes and finding effective solutions can make a significant difference. In this video, I share my journey into how debilitating and disruptive lower back pain can be in daily life and the step-by-step treatments I followed which were instrumental in my recovery. I'll share in detail some of the exercises that were not only specifically tailored for lower back issues but were proven to be effective because they worked for me. Have you ever lifted something the wrong way or overworked your body and woke up the next morning unable to sit up? I know I have. My journey into the world of serious back pain began one late Friday afternoon at work and just before leaving for the day. I incorrectly lifted a very heavy and oversized box and immediately knew I had just wrecked my back. The pain was severe and almost crippling. At home, I comforted myself that with rest over the weekend, I would be fine. However, by the next morning, I could not get out of bed. So, with some assistance, I checked myself into the emergency department of my local hospital. Following CT and MRI tests, I discovered that my back was really in bad shape. Not just from this incident, but also from previous physical abuse over the years, like bad postures and playing football. My family doctor sent me to see a chiropractor, who treated me for approximately 6 weeks. The pain did subside a little, but I was still experiencing some discomfort and continued to be off work for the next 3 months. My family doctor further sent me to see a physiotherapist who did an excellent job on me to help relieve me of all my pain. Have you ever had something like that happen to you? Are you interested in discovering the reason for your back pain? Are you tired of taking medications? Or you are just simply curious about what is the deal about why so many people struggle with back pains and are hoping to learn how you can prevent becoming a victim of back pain? Whatever your reason, you are in the right place to learn some important lessons about your back and to see why it's so important. So why is your back so important? Ask yourself this question. What is in our back? We know that we have a spinal cord that goes through our backs, and that is how we sense the world through that cord. And that cord has spaces where the nerves come out of it and go throughout the body. So, if we do not treat our back correctly, it causes trauma to these nerves. Most back pains are a result of not using our backs correctly. When a problem does occur, some people, instead of getting to the source of the problem, like improper posture, or some other stress on our muscles, or even doing exercises like stretching to alleviate the problem, instead, they jump to medication. Sometimes physical therapy or chiropractors can take pressure off the muscle, which lets the nerves relax and heal. They can also assist in explaining other benefits like getting up and moving every hour and resting. It's always a good idea to first consult your general practitioner who can help you to evaluate to see if there is something more serious. The best exercises for lower back pain. In this section, I will share with you some of the specific exercises I did that worked to relieve my back pain. Incorporating these exercises into your routine can help strengthen your lower back, improve flexibility, and reduce pain. Always consult with a healthcare provider or physical therapist before starting a new exercise program, especially if you have a history of back problems. 1. Pelvic tilts. How to do it. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Tighten your abdominal muscles and push your lower back into the floor. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. Benefits. Strengthens the abdominal muscles and helps alleviate lower back pain. 2. Cat-cow stretch. How to do it. Get on your hands and knees. Arch your back up like a cat and hold for a few seconds, cat pose, then let your back sink toward the floor and lift your head, cow pose. Benefits. Improves flexibility and relieves tension in the spine. 3. Child's pose. From a kneeling position, sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and lower your forehead to the floor. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, repeat 3 to 5 times. 4. Knee to chest stretch. Lie on your back with your knees bent. Bring one knee to your chest, holding it with both hands and keep the other foot flat on the floor. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, switch legs, and repeat 2 to 3 times per leg. 5. Bird dog. Start on your hands and knees. Extend one arm forward and the opposite leg backward, keeping your back straight. Hold for a few seconds, then return to the starting position. Switch sides and repeat 10 to 15 times per side. 6. Seated spinal twist. Sit on the floor with legs extended. Bend one knee and place the foot on the outside of the opposite knee. Twist your torso towards the bent knee, using your opposite arm to help deepen the stretch. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, switch sides, and repeat 2 to 3 times per side. 7. Leg raises. How to do it. Lie on your back with your legs straight. Lift one leg towards the ceiling while keeping the other leg flat on the floor. Hold for a few seconds, then switch legs. Benefits: strengthens the lower abdominal muscles and improves flexibility in the lower back. Summary: these exercises can help strengthen the muscles supporting the lower back, improve flexibility, and reduce pain.